Today I'm sharing with you my top 3 store-bought cereals that I love. I'm not a cereal person. I'm an oatmeal person, but there are days when I crave some cereal. So here are my top 3 cereals that I buy from stores sometimes. These cereals are comparatively low in sugar and have good fiber content, as well as they are made mostly of healthy ingredients. So I don't eat cereal for breakfast. I eat them as part of my dessert. So instead of grabbing for the cookies or other sugary treats, I grab these cereals instead. They are sweet, they're crunchy, and so delicious. So I will eat them as is, or I will add some almond milk to it, or to make it even more healthier, and if I'm really hungry, then I add Greek yogurt to it and just mix my cereal or the granola I showed and have it. It's really delicious, good protein, healthy ingredients, and so fulfilling too. Do you eat cereals? And what is your favorite cereal from store? Do let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then please like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with a new and exciting video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.